India's data center and GCC ecosystems are at a turning point, with Entity Data committing 500 million annually for organic growth without acquisitions. What does this mean for the future of GCCs in India? Are we witnessing a shift from cost efficiency to true global innovations? Let's dive in. Namaste and welcome to Boom of Bharat with Rama Shivkumar, where we're transforming GCC dynamics and bringing you a new update each week on global capability centers. Today, we will dive deep into a significant development in India's data center and GCC ecosystem. For those who did not get a chance to listen to my previous episode, can click on the link below and explore Boom of Bharat, data-driven efficiency powering sustainable growth in GPS organizations. Based on the request from all of you and such a love from the audience, we've also started our video podcast, Boom of Bharat, and that's available on YouTube. Japan's Entity Data is the India's largest data center operator, and they have made a bold statement. They're not looking at acquisition to expand in India. Instead, the company is committing 500 million per year for organic growth. This approach signals confidence in the India's fastest growing data consumption and digital transformation landscape. Abhijit Dubey, Entity Data CEO, emphasized that they're not interested in consolidation, but rather in strengthening their existing capabilities and acquiring niche startups that offer unique solutions. This is marking a significant shift from the aggressive expansions through acquisitions to scaling organically with a focus on innovations. Entity's Data has already invested 3 billion into India's data center business, employing 40,000 people, with 700 professionals already dedicated to data center operations. What a good start. With the 290 megawatt commissioned data center capacity, they are now aiming to hit 500 megawatts soon. A clear indication that India remains a top priority for them. Beyond data centers, Entity Data is also betting big on India's becoming GCC sector, the GCC capital of the world. The company expects the number of GCCs in India to grow from 1700 plus, which is today, to 2,500 by 2030. This projections aligned with a broader shift we are also witnessing, where India is evolving from a cost-centric outsourcing hub to a global innovation powerhouse. So what does Entity's data strategy means for the India GCC? That means the reliability on the infrastructure. With India's emerging as a digital-first economy, robust data center infrastructure is critical. And Entity Data knows that they can get that strong foundations in India. Cloud and AI-powered GCCs. That's what Entity Data focuses on, advancement of infrastructure, and subsea cables connecting with India to Southeast Asia will further accelerate AI, cloud computing, and the cybersecurity innovations, key areas where GCCs are increasingly focusing their R&D efforts.